Hey, what's up everybody? I wanted to do a quick little unboxing review of the Titan triple square bit set. I just picked this set up because I just picked up a new to me Volkswagen Golf, and it does come, like most German cars, does have the triple square bits. If you see these are not a Torx. They've got way more points than a regular Torx bit. They have 12 bits because it's actually 3 squares of 4 that are kind of all rotated a little bit. Fun fact there. But again, on German cars, you're going to find these types of bits everywhere. Some of them under really, really high torque, and a Torx bit will strip it out. So you need a set of these. As you can see, these ones, again, they have a little bit more points than a Torx. I think a Torx has 6. These have 12. And they come, this actually said, they comes in a little rail, and then it has the 9 most common sizes you're going to find here: 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and then 18 is the big one here on the end. I picked this ones up not because they are the chromoly. These are actually impact rated. So if you are encountering something, I know a lot of German cars like to put the triple squares on like their brake parts and some of their brake caliper brackets back here. And those, if you use a regular chrome vanadium steel, they're going to crack the socket, or the socket might actually shatter on you. So these are a little bit softer. They're impact rated, and they do actually come in all the drive sizes that you're going to need. Now, they don't come all in the same size. These big ones here are 1/2-inch drive. These are 3/8 drive. These are 1/4-inch drive here on the end. So you might have to use a reducer with your impact, because I only have a 1/2-inch impact. But again, I did pick these up not only because they're impact rated, but because they're very short. If you look over here, you're going to see this is actually an M14 set. This is another set of triple squares I picked up when I picked the car up. And as you can see, it's a lot taller than the impact rated M14 on this particular set. Again, reason why, if I have a confined space, I might not be able to fit this in, and this is not exactly a common fastener. So you're going to need again a really small shorter socket there. You can put either a socket on the end here, and then you can just get in there and kind of do your thing. Overall, I recommend this particular product to anybody who is a German car owner, because I tell everybody German cars are super, super easy to work on if you have the right tools. If you have the regular, American toolbox, the Phillips head, the flathead, and the American sockets, it's going to be a pain in the butt to work on these cars. But if you have the right tools, they go together like Legos. So again, if you have a German car, I highly recommend that you pick up this particular set. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.